Good morning everyone. In a previous class we have learned about the algebraic expression. How can add the algebraic expressions and subtract, multiplication, divide. Okay, I hope you all understood that previous concept. Today we have learned about the one of the algebraic parts, the linear equation in one variable. This is also a algebraic part. Okay, so already we have learned in the 7th standard linear equation. Linear means they forming a line. Linear means forming a line. So equation, what does it mean by equation? Equation is a statement of equality. Equality means a statement which involves the sign of equality. Sign of equality. Okay, that is called the statement of equality. Okay, so equation means the equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more variables. One or more variables is called the equation. And then a linear equation, a equation having the maximum power of the variable. Okay, so linear means the maximum power of the variable is called the linear equation. Okay, and then linear equation in one variable means the linear equation having only one variable is called the linear equation in one variable. Okay, see this example. Equation example, x square plus y square, one or more variables equating to something. Okay, this is the example. So linear equation, a equation having the maximum power. Okay, maximum power of the variable is 1. Maximum power of the variable is 1. So linear means 1. Okay, so maximum power of the variable is 1. So example, x plus 1 equal to 15. Okay, that is the example for this problem. And then linear equation in one variable means a linear equation having only one variable, and also they having the highest power is also 1. Okay, the highest power of the variable also 1 is called the linear equation in one variable. So what is the difference? The same one, but here we are using the one variable means only one variable, x only there. Okay, linear means here many variables, x plus 1. Linear means the highest power of the variable, the maximum power of the variable is 1. Linear means the maximum power of the highest power of the variable is 1 is called the linear equation. Linear equation in one variable means have used only one variable, x only have used. So x plus 2 equal to 15. Okay, this is called the linear equation in one variable. Okay, these are already learned, and also we have follow some rules for solving the linear equation. What are there already learned in the 7th standard. The first rule 1, add the same number on the both sides. If you add any one of the number in the left hand side, you should add it with the right hand side the same number, is it? So that is the first one, that add the same number on the both side of the equation, and then subtract the number on the both side from the both side of the equation, and multiply both side. Okay, multiply both side of the equation by the same number, and divide both side of the equation by the same number. And now another one, by using the transpose method. Transpose method means this side, that is left hand side to move to right hand side, change the sign. This side having the plus, change to the another side minus. This side having plus value, move to that side as negative. Here multiplication, move to division, division move to the multiplication, division move to the multiplication. Okay, so these are all called the transposition method or transpose. Okay, transpose. Okay, right. And then root of an equation. Root of an equation or solution of an equation means the value of the variable. Value of the variable is called the root of the equation or solution of the equation. Okay, root of the equation. Root of the equation means the value of the variable is called root of equation or solution of the equation. So the equation. Okay, that's it. Now see the examples. Example 1. Solve 8x is equal to 15 plus 3x. 15 plus 3x. Okay, have using any one of the method. Have using the any one of transpose method or adding the both side of the same number or subtracting the slide. Okay, so here I have using the transpose method. Okay, so 8x is equal to 15 plus 3x. So 3x come to this side, 8x minus 3x is equal to 15. Subtract from this 8x, we get 5x. So x equal to 3. That's it. Okay, and then example 2. (3m plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 8 plus m). Okay, now another one. B, x plus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Right. So here take the LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM? 2. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, directly write, plus 1 by 2. Here the LCM is 8. So 3 plus 8m by 8. Now cross multiply. So 8 into 6m plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 8m. We cancel in 2 table 4 times. Now multiply each term by 4. So 6 4s are 24m plus 4. Here 3 plus 8m. Arrange the like terms. So 24m minus 8m is equal to 3 minus 4. So minus 1 here. 16m. So m is equal to minus 1 by 16. That's it. Okay. Now move to the B problem. X plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 5 divided by 2. Okay. Solution. So here denominator value 2 multiplied here. Cross multiply. Okay. So 2 into x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 5. Now multiply each term by 2. Okay. So before of multiplication we have multiplied these values. Okay. So first multiply in between of this bracket 2x minus 2 equal to 5. Now multiply, add these like terms, 3x minus 2 equal to 5. Now multiply each terms. Okay. So 6x minus 4 equal to 5. So 6x equal to 5 minus 4 come to this side plus 4. By using the transpose method, it cancel in 3 table. So x equal to 3 by 2. This side come to this side division. Okay. Right. Now move to the example 3. Solve 2x minus 7 by 4 minus 1 minus x by 6 equal to 17. Equal to 17. So first we have take the LCM. Okay, the fraction is given. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 24. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, so 2x minus 7 by 24. Here minus 4 into 1 minus x by 6. 24. 6 4s are 24. Here 17. Okay. The denominator values are same. Add the numerators. So multiply each term by 6 here. Here the multiply each term by 4. Okay. So 12x minus 42 minus 4 plus with sign. Okay. Carefully multiply with sign minus 4 minus into minus plus 4x. The denominator is 24 is equal to 17. So simplify this value. 16x minus 46 is equal to the division move to that side multiplication. So 24 7s are 24, 17s are 16, 4, 2, 8, 0, 408, 408. Okay, so here 16x minus 46. Move to that side. 16x is equal to 408 plus 46. 454. 4 16x. So x equal to 454 by 16. Two table, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, okay, 2 27 by 8. Okay, it can written as 8 times of 28 plus 3. So x is equal to 28, 3 by 8 is the answer. Okay, now move to this. Solve. Example 4. Solve 3m plus 5 by 2m plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Just to cross multiply. Three into 3m plus 5 is equal to 1 into 2m plus 1. So 3 3s are 9m, 3 5s are 15, 2m plus 1. Arrange the like terms. Okay. So 9m minus 2m is equal to 1 minus 15. So minus 14. Here 7m. Cancel 2. So m is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Example 5. Solve 2 minus 7x by 1 minus 5x equal to 3 plus 7x by 4 plus 5x. So cross multiply 4 plus 5x (2 minus 7x) is equal to 3 plus 7x into 1 minus 5x. 1 minus 5x. Multiply each term. So 4 2s are 8 minus next term. Okay. 4 7s are 28x. Now multiply. Plus 10x plus into minus minus 35 x into x squared equal to. So this side, left hand side only we have simplified. Okay. Now multiply. 3 1s are 3. Next multiply with the next term. 3 5s are 15x. Now multiply with this one. So plus 7x minus 35x squared. Okay. Right. So simplify. These two are equal signs and same value, we cancel. Okay. And then what are the remains? Because equal sign is there, so equating the both sides are same value, we will cancel. Okay. Right. Remaining. Now simplify in this side. Minus 28x plus 10x. Two different sides subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 18x plus 8 is equal to, in a right hand side, 3. Here also the different sign subtract, we put the greater number sign. So minus 8x. Okay. Now minus 8x come to this side by using the transpose method. Minus 8. Okay. 10x minus 10x is equal to minus 5. So it cancel. Plus plus minus minus we cancel. Okay. And then 5 2s are. So x equal to 1. 2 come to this side, divided. So x value is 1 by 2. Okay. Now move to the next example 6. Solve 0.3 plus 6 plus m is equal to 0.48 minus m. Okay. Okay, now multiply solution. Multiply each term. Okay. So 18. So 18, how many decimal point? 1 decimal point. Plus 0.3 m. Okay. Here 32, the decimal point, 1 decimal point, and next multiply this one minus 0.4 m. Arrange the like terms. Okay. So 0.3 m minus come to the side plus 0.4 m is equal to 3.2 here. Come to the side 1 point minus 1.8. Okay. Add these values. 0.7 m. 0.7 m. Subtract these values, what we get? 1.4. It cancel. What we get? 2 times. So m value was 2. M value was 2. Right? Next one, exercise 6.1. Solve and verify the equation. Solve and verify the equation. Exercise 6.1. So A and C are the homework. I will do this B problem. 7x minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2. Solution. 7x. Okay, right. Arrange the like terms. Here minus multiply by each term. Okay, so 7x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 2. Arrange the like terms here. Subtract, we get 5x minus 5, move to that side, plus 5 minus 3x. Okay, and simplify, 2x equal to plus 3. So x equal to 3 by 2 is answer. Okay, and next one, D problem. 1.5x minus 12.6 equal to 8.4 minus 2.5x. So arrange the like terms. For 1.5x, 1.5x minus, come to the side, plus 2.5x. Here 8.4 minus, come to the side, plus 12.6. Now add these values, we get 4.0, is it? 2.5, 1.5, 0, 4.0. 0 is not value, so 4x is equal to here 8.04 and 12.6. Add the values. 4 plus 6, 10. Remaining 1, 10, 11, 21. So answer for this problem, x equal to 21 by 4. That's it. Okay. Now see the second problem. Solve the following equations. Second E problem. 3 by 4x minus 3 minus 2 by 2x plus 5 equal to 0. F1, 8x minus 3 by 3x equal to 2. And G, 3 minus 5x by 3 minus 4x equal to minus 5x plus 1 by 5x minus 1. Okay, right. See the first A problem. The denominator values are different. So first we have to find out the LCM. Okay, here given the two fractions, difference of the two fractions is equal to 0 is given. So you have to find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of that? 2x plus 5 into 3 minus 2 into 4x minus 3. The denominator is 4x minus 3 into 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so this term multiply with that side, we get the 0. Okay, so 2x plus 5 into 3 minus 2 into 4x minus 3 equal to 0. This term move to that side, get the 0. Okay, right. Now multiply each term. So 6x plus 15 minus 8x minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 equal to 0. So arrange the like terms. So minus 2x. Okay, different sign, subtract and put the greater number sign. Add these two values, what we get? 11 equal to 0. So minus 2x equal to minus 11. So x equal to 11. Minus will be cancelled. So 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Sorry, 15 is there. Okay, so 21 by 2, right? And next one, 8x by minus 3 by 3x. So cross multiply this. So 8x minus 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6x. Okay, so 8x minus 6x equal to 3. 6 come to this side, minus, plus 3 move to this side, plus 3 minus move to plus 3. Okay, so 6 2x is it difference of two signs, subtract and put the greater number sign. So x equal to 3 by 2. And next G problem. Here also we have multiply, cross multiplication. Okay, so 5x minus 1 into 3 minus 5x is equal to 3 minus 4x into minus 5x plus 1. Minus 5x plus 1. Okay, each term multiply. So 15x and then next 5 5s are 25 minus 25x square minus 3 minus into minus plus 5x is equal to minus 15x, okay, plus 3 minus into minus plus 20x square minus 4x. Now arrange all the like terms. Okay. So we got the quadratic equation. We have to find out the two solution for this problem because here x squared is there. Okay. Okay, we have to find out. 5 5s are then so x values 20x, okay, plus minus 25 x square minus 3 is equal to 15 minus 19x plus 20x square plus 3 plus 3. So minus 19x come to the side, what we get? 20x plus 19x, already here minus 25x square, here plus 20x come to this side, minus 20x square, here minus 3 plus 3 come to this side, minus 3. Okay, so simplify, they both having the same sign, add and put the same sign, 39x and then minus 39x minus 45x square minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Can you cancel in 3 table? Yes. Okay. So divide 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are. Okay. Here minus 3 1s are 3, 15s are. Okay. Minus 3 2s are. Okay, now arrange the order, quadratic equation. Okay, arrange in order. So first term should in positive, so we have multiply minus, so 15x square plus 2 plus minus 13x plus 2. So minus alla multiply பண்ணும்போது minus will be changed to positive, positive change to the negative. Okay, right, multiplicated by minus. Now we have using the t factorization. Okay, last previous chapter already learn about the factorization, is it? So multiply the coefficient of x square into constant term. What we get? 30, is it? Plus 30. The sum of the factor is minus 13. So 10 3s are 30. But here we need the minus sign. So both we have considered the negative sign. So multiplication of negative into negative, we get the positive. So minus into minus plus 10 3s are 30. Add this to value, we get this. Okay, so divided by 15x, here also 15x. Simplify 2 3 3 1s are 3 5s are. So what are the factors we got? 3x minus 2 and then 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So equating the each term by 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 3. Here 5x equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 5. Okay. This question having the two solution because we got the quadratic equation. So quadratic means 2. Okay, it has the two solutions. One is 2 by 3, another one is 1 by 5. Okay, right. So each problem is homework. Okay, I will write the homework on that side. First A, C and second A, B, C, D and H. Okay, everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask it to me. Thank you, students.